Well, we're crushing up chickpeas and introducing you to the first plant-based vegan pop-up taco shop in Kansas City. Katherine Willis from Beet Taco Shop is here to show us these curry chickpea fritters. So my first question, right? Let's say we're not a vegetarian.
Yeah.
What is the goal to using chickpeas in our diet?
So they're just really high in protein. They're a really good low fat, super high in protein, just plant-based protein source.
Okay, perfect. And I mean, we always want to reinvent the taco, right? We all love the street taco. So, let's get started showing us how to make this fritter.
Okay, yeah, so this is our main ingredient. This is called Vital Wheat Gluten. Okay. This is a high gluten flour that has a ton of protein in it. And so it's basically washed away all of the starch, and it's just, we're left with the protein. So
why would we use that, right? Because so many people, right, are trying to get away from gluten these days.
Yeah, totally. So it's a really, really good meat substitute. It's called the wheat meat for vegans. And so these are all of our spices. This is paprika, garlic, onion powder, curry powder. And then if you want to add the next one, that's our soy sauce. Okay. It gives it a nice meaty flavor. So these are really going to kind of mimic like a chicken, almost like a chicken meatball.
So will the chickpea and the fritter as an overall take on the flavor, for instance, of that sauce?
Absolutely, yeah. So we're going to have all of these different seasonings, and the soy sauce, he doesn't really get a soy sauce flavor, although these are kind of an Asian-inspired meatball. So,
Throwing in the chickpeas
there. So the chickpeas, we just crush them up. I put them in a plastic bag and just really crushed them up super, so they're nice and mushy there.
So what are some tricks of the trade, right? Because I think I've made a lot of different fritters and they don't always hold form.
Yeah, so for a lot of non-plant-based people, they use egg, which is, vegans don't eat eggs. And so all of just the combination of everything, the chickpeas really help bind it together. The number one binder though is that Vital Wheat Gluten. Okay. So as we kind of mix this around, I like to just start with a spatula, and then I like to get in there with my hands. So then as we go, we're just gonna mix all together, and they really just become this nice kind of, almost like a ground chicken, meaty substance.
Well, that's really coming together. Yeah. And I know that fritters are not the only thing that you make.
Totally.
So what other dishes do you have?
Okay, so we do all kinds of stuff. So actually we have an event tomorrow, and we are doing this chickpea taco, but we're also doing a vegan fried fish fillet. Yeah.
Is that what that is? It looks so good.
Yeah, that one's really tasty. So it just kind of takes on all the typical flavors that you would do with fish, Old Bay and all that kind of stuff. And then, turn it into a fish fillet.
Okay. Well, you know what? Through TV magic, I think you've been forming these little balls here. And, is there a certain size?
So yeah, I like to do it just kind of small, bite size for a taco. Okay. So just about that size. And then
how long will we bake it for?
So we'll bake them for about 40 minutes, about 350 degrees. So 20 minutes, flip them, and then 20 minutes again. And then TV magic, voila, they are finished.
That looks delicious.
Yeah.
And even past here, we do have the actual finished product over here. So, let's go ahead and grab this and try, because I mean, Katherine's been working hard in the kitchen all day. And I can't wait to try one of these.
Yeah, excellent.
Okay. You're gonna try it with me, right?
Totally.
Okay, awesome.
All right, cheers.
Here we go. First thing in the morning, great breakfast.
Tacos.
So I think Belinda's gonna have to learn to take smaller bites. But Katherine, thank you so much. This really was delicious.
Thank you so much.